Welcome to Building a Better Machine, where we upgrade our skills one command at a time. I think this is going to be a quick one. A quick what? It is level 10 of the Over-the-Wire Bandit challenge. And we are meant to find a password that's hidden. No, we're meant to find a password stored in the data.txt file, but it's encoded in base 64. And base 64 is command use of base 64 encoding and decoding of strings or files. The encoding is a method to represent binary data in a text format suitable for transmission over text-based protocols. So the way we decode is we pipe it, we type in base 64, bada bing, bada boom, Bob's your uncle, and we should be done. So first things first, we need to log in. This is going to be 10. Password is this. Great. Now we're gonna find out where we are, what's here. There's the file that we're looking for. Let's take a look at what's in the file. You can see that we have a string of characters. Now we need to decode that string of characters. And we do that through what we saw, or what we are seeing right now is piping. So let's do cat data.txt pipe base 64. Well, that don't look better. So let's try something else. Same thing. Minus D. There it is. So now why did the minus D work? I forget what minus D means. Use minus D to decode. Yeah, well, there you go. It just decoded it, and there's our password. So that's it for this round. Hope you're around for the next one. Until then, peace.